Okay, today we're going to be looking at the handout that you got in class today called Exercise Number 1, Nouns. And if you look at the directions, it says you're going to underline the nouns in the following sentences. There are 20 sentences here. We'll do the first 5 together and you're on your own for the rest. Now would be a good idea that if you don't recall what a noun is, to go back to look at the other video or go back to your notes that you took down from watching the other video. In general, a noun is a very important part of speech. We wouldn't have names without it. And they're basically naming specific people, places, things, ideas, or feelings. So let's look at sentence number 1. The sun rose over Lake Forest. There's a part of speech we don't really go over, and it's very, very minor. Most people won't even discuss it, and it's called an article. What I'd like you to do is write the words articles on the top of the page, and I'm going to give you the 3 articles. Those articles are the, a, or an. Whenever you see an article, it tells you that a noun is going to follow it. So if we look at sentence number 1, this is how it would work. You'd start off with the, and you'd ask yourself, the what? And if you look at sentence number 1, it's the sun. And what did the sun do? Well, the sun rose, that's your verb. And where did it rise? It rose over Lake Forest. So if you go back to your sentence now, you'll realize that sun should be underlined and Lake Forest should be underlined. In the first example, you'll see that sun is a common noun, while Lake Forest is a proper noun because it's always capitalized. Let's take a look at sentence number 2. The family spent the day at the warm beach. Well, the first the, we ask ourselves, the what? The family. Spent the what? They spent the day at the warm beach. Now here you have 2 words that could work. Is it warm or is it beach? Well, we're looking for the actual noun here. And what we'll learn in the next video or 2 is that warm is an adjective that's modifying our noun beach and telling us what type of beach it is. So the sentences, sentence number 2, the 3 nouns are family, day, and beach. Let's look at sentence number 3. Florida is bordered by the Atlantic Ocean and the Gulf of Mexico. Our subject of the sentence is a noun, Florida, and we have them capitalized so we know automatically that Atlantic Ocean is a proper noun and the Gulf of Mexico is a proper noun. Sentence number 4. Paul caught 3 black bass. Again, the subject of our sentence is a proper noun. Paul caught would be our verb. And what did he catch? He caught 3 black bass. So we look again for the noun, and the thing that we can see is the fish that he caught. And lastly, number 5, the whiteness of the sand blinded us. Again, we have our article to help us. The what? The whiteness of the what? The sand blinded us. And here we have sentences 1 through 5 done correctly with all the nouns underlined. If you look at this again, you can see again that there are common nouns, there are proper nouns, there are abstract nouns, and concrete nouns in these sentences. So tonight you're going to go through sentences 6 through 20 and looking for the nouns and make sure you underline them. You don't have to tell me what type of noun they are, but it might be a good idea to do that just so you get in the habit of understanding the differences between concrete and abstract and common and proper. All right, good luck.